Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make ready-made mushroom soup. First, carefully open the can of soup. Then, pour the entire contents into a saucepan or a microwave-safe bowl. For the perfect consistency, add an equal amount of water or milk. This simple step ensures your soup is just right, whether you prefer it thinner or creamier. Get ready for a quick and delicious meal. Now, let's heat your soup. If using a stovetop, warm it over medium heat, stirring every so often to prevent sticking. For microwave heating, cook on high for about 2 to 3 minutes, pausing to stir halfway through. The goal is to heat it thoroughly until it's steaming, but avoid letting it come to a rolling boil. Want to elevate the flavor? Try stirring in a tablespoon of fresh cream for extra richness. A pinch of black pepper or your favorite dried herbs, like thyme or rosemary, can also add a wonderful aroma. Before serving, consider a sprinkle of fresh parsley or some crunchy croutons for a delightful finish. Once your soup is perfectly heated and seasoned, ladle it into a warm bowl and serve immediately. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread for dipping or a fresh, simple side salad for a complete meal. Enjoy your delicious, comforting, and incredibly easy homemade mushroom soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.